and sharing its learning with the rest of the world. 1. An AI that is independent. From large global AI to empowered, scalable, sovereign AI. Sovereignty. The generation sitting right in front of me grew up taking it for only political and geographical individuality. Fast forward to now, the word has a completely new landscape for its definition. I'm growing up knowing it to be more around something I may like to call digital independence. And achieving AI sovereignty has become a global imperative. And then I'm seeing an emergence of varied AI models which are not just differentiated by scale, computer parameters, but by the very approach different nations are building them with. Where US leads the global AI models and the technology sector drives innovation, China likes to keep its control centralized with rapid scaling and strong integration with governance. Where Europe likes to build it more with trust and compliance with the world's first comprehensive AI law, Middle East positions itself by building AI hubs in the infrastructure layer, contributing critical nodes in the AI boom. Well, India is leading in sovereignty, data sovereignty, infrastructure sovereignty, and most importantly, talent sovereignty. And I'm glad that's what my country needs to boost its economy. Two, an AI that is inclusive. From the artificial general intelligence race to responsible, democratized AI inclusion. Democratization of AI with inclusion, which I touched upon in my keynote at the AI for Good Global Summit in Geneva last year, has become a core focus area for not just India, but even for the United Nations and the rest of the world. I'm seeing how India is leading a shift from the artificial general intelligence race to responsible, democratized AI inclusion. Democratization of the AI Kosh as a key enabler for India's digital public infrastructure, 7,500 datasets and 273 models have already been deployed as natural resources to build AI solutions across sectors. Allow me to share my 2 cents on the affordability of AI compute power under the India AI mission. Well, to your surprise, it is less than 2 cents per minute. How's that for democratization? Inclusion of different Indian startups, researchers and developers. Social inclusion of different cultures, languages, disabilities and even gender equality. Overall inclusion of human capital, innovation, social empowerment and the list goes on. Three, an AI that is impactful. From safe, innovative, actionable AI to impactful AI. Let's move to impact and let's do it a bit differently here. How about I share my own use case of an AI model just released by India? Thanks to my recently completed certification course from the India AI mission, I observed how every single bit of content was exemplified with an India-specific use case, impacting lives, businesses, and industries. So here's my impact story. When I was 6, I read in a book on AI. Are you born with AI? This had been made available globally on Amazon and even had been acknowledged by His Excellency, Secretary General of the United Nations, Sir Antonio Guterres, and the Ministry of Education, Government of India. Thanks to Indian full-stack AI sovereign AI model now in place, Sarvam AI, I'm able to translate my book into 22 different Indian languages, and boosting the sales of my book and contributing to India's GDP. Here's a sneak peek into this. So you can see here that I've translated it into Punjabi, Tamil, Hindi, and then 19 more languages, but obviously I can't fit on the slide. Impact 1. It helps me live my dream to drive AI literacy to all my friends out there, breaking language barriers. 2. It helps me support the National Education Policy 2020 by Government of India by introducing AI literacy from grade 3 onwards. Democratization checked. 3. It helps me have a wider reach as an author, boosting the sales and the royalty I get from the book. Business impact and GDP contribution checked. So, if a Gen Alpha can contribute to AI literacy countrywide by first writing a book on artificial intelligence, then using AI tools to make illustrations to make it relevant for young minds, and then further use Indian AI tools to translate it into multiple Indian languages, boosting the sales of his book and the royalty to contribute to India's GDP at age 8, I am confident that each and every one of you can leave your impact with the relevant Indian AI models. Amalgamating, be a geopolitically driven or an inclusive AI impact fabric, and there is no assurance that any country will get it all correct individually. My simple yet important message here is that we can all learn from each other and share our learnings to make this world more empowered with AI. And that is exactly what India is all set to do once the GPAI Council members convene and define the multilateral cooperation for responsible and inclusive AI, keeping in mind the value of a human connection. Also, me and my generation are part of this AI revolution too. We understand and observe how AI is being shaped up globally. Be it governments, be it tech giants, be it startups, or even scientists. We are not just at the receiving end. Do not forget, we are born with AI around us, and we will contribute and be the true agents of change of what you all build today. I stand for I, Generation Alpha. I stands for India. I stands for impact. And the world will witness all three when they have been raised to the power of AI. Sarvjan Hitai, Sarvjan Sukhai. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranveer. We have our next panel, which is next generation of techies. May I now invite Mr. Arvind Jain, Founder and Chief Executive Officer, Glean, Ms. Navreena Singh, Founder and Chief Executive Officer, Credo AI, Malhar Bire, Chief Technology Officer, Origin Bio, and the panel will be moderated by Mr. Anirudh Suri, Managing Partner, India Internet Fund. In the meantime,